Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add music to Instagram story on laptop or PC. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm showing you easy method step by step, so follow my whole process carefully. Look at the dashboard, not showing to story option. So first go to new tab, search here To Chrome Webstore, click on this link and go to search bar, type to opening this, add to Chrome, add extension, tap on this and pin this extension, go to new tab, okay, let's go. So click on your story and select music, open, and now shown here music, or if you want to add music from Instagram, and finally tap on add your story. Okay, now uploading. So that's how we can easily add music to Instagram story on laptop on PC. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.